How's it going, YouTuber? Crossing Russell here. I'm on the Crown Valley Road crossing in Acton, California. And we have not a Metrolink train, but a freight train to come through this crossing. I'm sure she should have nice cargo, but this is definitely an intermodal train for sure, which will more likely to have BNSF or UP. But I'm sure it's just going to be BNSF for sure. And yeah, this could be an awesome looking freight train. Hopefully. Yep, here we go. Yep, I think we got BNSF on the line. It's an SD70. BNSF and UP, awesome. But sometimes we get UP on this train track. And we got what's in the back, because I just see some little DPUs. I think it's just both BNSF. Yep. I knew it. And the gates go up. And there goes that train. There goes that train onto the Mojave sub. Anyways, this is where Crossing Russell signing off.